Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. Just a quick heads up as we dive in, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. And while you're at it, definitely make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe right in the flow of the video because it really helps us out.
Yeah, it really does. And today's gadget is a perfect example of why digging into these details actually matters.
Right. Okay, let's unpack this. Today we're looking at the Gourmia 4-quart digital air fryer. And honestly, I was looking at this and thinking about the Goldilocks principle.
Oh, like not too big, not too small.
Exactly. But not just for counter space, I mean for thermal efficiency too. A massive 8-quart fryer just takes forever to heat up.
Yeah, and a tiny 2-quart one barely fits, like 3 French fries.
Right. So I have this theory that this 4-quart size is the sweet spot because a smaller air volume actually creates this faster, more aggressive heat cycle.
Well, what's fascinating here is that the market data strongly backs up your theory. I mean, the sheer sales volume for this specific Gourmia model is just staggering.
Wait, how staggering are we talking?
We are looking at a device holding a 4.6 out of 5-star rating from over 1,200 reviews. It's sitting at rank number 10 among all Amazon air fryers right now.
Wow, number 10.
Yeah, and get this, over 3,000 units were bought just in the past month. People are actively voting with their wallets for this exact footprint.
Over 3,000 people in 30 days. That is wild. So let's talk about the physics of how it's actually cooking your food. Gourmia slaps the name FryForce 360-degree technology on this.
Which, honestly sounds like a theme park ride.
It really does.
Yeah.
But mechanically, we're talking about a concentrated convection vortex, right? You've got this 1,300-watt heating element pushing superheated air in a rapid, continuous cycle.
Exactly. And that rapid air circulation is what triggers the Maillard reaction. That's the chemical process giving you a beautifully browned, crispy exterior on your food, mimicking deep frying, but, using almost no oil.
Right, because it's blasting the surface moisture away instantly.
Yeah, with the temperature range going from a really low 90 degrees Fahrenheit up to a roaring 400 degrees.
Okay, but I have to push back here for a second. 1,300 watts actually sounds a bit underpowered to me compared to the 1,500 or 1,800 watt ones out there. Is that going to truly crisp a wing or just make it, warm and soggy?
That's a great question, but it comes right back to your point about thermal efficiency. If you put 1,300 watts in an oversized cavernous air fryer, yeah, you'd get soggy food.
Oh,
But confined to a tight 4-quart chamber, that wattage is perfectly calibrated to maintain high heat without, pick your kitchen circuit breaker.
That makes total sense. Here's where it gets really interesting, though. Because it's a smaller chamber, you're trusting the machine's programming to regulate that intense heat. And when you look at how Gourmia sells that programming, there's a hilarious contradiction.
Oh, in their marketing copy.
Yes. The main product title loudly advertises 8 presets. But then you scroll down the page, and the description suddenly boasts 12 one-touch functions.
So what does this all mean? Is this just sloppy marketing math?
It's a classic case of conflating terms for search engine optimization, really. They're mixing up presets, which are your specific time and temp codes for things like fries or bacon, with functions, which refer to the broader culinary methods the machine handles, like roasting, baking, brailing, and dehydrating. So regardless of how confusing the page is, practically speaking, the interface is super versatile.
Sure, versatility is fantastic, but the ultimate deal breaker for any kitchen gadget is the cleanup. If I have to spend 20 minutes scrubbing baked-on grease out of a tiny wire basket, I'm just going to use my oven. Fortunately, they avoided that trap. Both the main fry basket and the crisper tray insert are non-stick coated and entirely dishwasher safe.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and when you factor in the accessibility, it runs around $47 used on Amazon resale, up to about $59 brand new. It's a very low barrier to entry. I will briefly note, just for context, that it does carry the standard Proposition 65 warning for California consumers.
Right, good to know. But getting a countertop convection engine that can dehydrate fruit at 90 degrees or crisp up chicken at 400, all for under $60, is a massive shift in how we equip our homes.
It truly is. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, it raises an important question for you to consider. If these highly efficient 12-inch countertop boxes can successfully replace baking, broiling, and roasting for everyday meals, are traditional full-sized ovens on the verge of becoming obsolete for our daily use?
That is something to think about. You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets. One product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.